Hi, my name is Michael Dailey. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Biology. I'm also serving as associate director of the Neuroscience Interdisciplinary Graduate Program. Let's talk about what PhD training in neuroscience at the University of Iowa looks like. Students will typically complete their PhD in about 5 years, which is below the national average for PhDs in neuroscience. When students arrive on campus, they immediately begin research rotations. They perform 3 different research rotations in different laboratories, and this is just an opportunity for them to get some experience in different techniques and scientific questions, different approaches, and an opportunity for the students to get a sense of the working relationship with potential PhD mentors. During the first 2 years, students will complete their coursework. They have core coursework and some elective coursework as well. In terms of the core coursework, we have now a 2-semester sequence of fundamental neurobiology. These courses cover the essentials in cellular and molecular neurobiology, as well as developmental neurobiology and an introduction to concepts in neurophysiology. Students will also take coursework in neuropsychology and in functional neuroanatomy. Students will also need to take coursework in quantitative or statistical analysis. Students will also have the opportunity to select elective coursework that matches their particular research interests. They can select courses from dozens of different options. The curriculum also involves a neuroscience seminar, which is an opportunity for students to come together on a weekly basis to hear the research of their peers and also to present their own research to their peers and get feedback. It's a great opportunity for community building as well. Students will take some work in scholarly integrity and responsible conduct of research and get to choose one of a variety of different elective courses to take. The comprehensive exam is completed during the summer of the 2nd year. This is an on-topic NRSA-style examination, a written document that is essentially a grant, and students will orally defend that document, their proposal, to a committee that they have selected, a committee of experts on campus. After completing the comprehensive exams, within a year, students will need to present a prospectus, which is essentially a detailed description of their research plan. Students also gain teaching experience by serving as a teaching assistant in a neuroscience-related coursework. If the student has an interest in gaining further experience in teaching, they may pursue a graduate certificate in college teaching, where they're required to take a variety of different courses and also develop a prospectus, a dossier, and serve as a teaching assistant. To create well-rounded professionals, each student is expected to engage in a level of leadership and service during their time at the University of Iowa. In fact, many students find that they really enjoy engaging in outreach activities. In terms of outcomes, students from our program go into a variety of different career pathways. We believe students are especially well prepared for careers in academia. In fact, over 70% of our graduates eventually assume tenured or non-tenured track academic positions. But students also pursue other career pathways in government, in business, nonprofits, but regardless of the career path that students choose, we believe our graduates are well prepared and competitive in the job market. In summary, to get a PhD in neuroscience at the University of Iowa, students must complete coursework with a cumulative GPA of 3.0 or greater, pass the comprehensive exam, present a prospectus, serve as a teaching assistant in a neuroscience-related course for at least 1 semester, publish at least 1 first author peer-reviewed publication, and pass the final examination, which is the thesis defense.